Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create number list in Microsoft Publisher document. So get let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create a number list. Now firstly select from a text. Now go to the home menu option, then click for a numbering option, then click for a number option. That is, then we show again. Now select from text. Now going to the home menu option, then click for a numbering option. Now click for a number. Now apply others text. That is, then show create number list in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for